I'm Kaplan America. Welcome to this month's auction at Kaplan Cycles. Buy a raffle ticket today for $10. Subscribe to the channel or I'll tase you. If you want to see your bike in the next Kaplan Cycles auction, give us a call. We'll buy your whole collection or one bike anywhere in the United States. Subscribe today or else. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on this classic 1978 Honda CB750F. This is an extremely rare full Tracy body kit. Includes the tank, side panels, one-piece rear fender, and seat mount. Exclusive custom seat base with a custom leather and red stitching seat. Just absolutely stunning. Metallic burgundy paint job right up from the top of the headlight bucket on back to the tailpiece. Fresh paint job. It is absolutely stunning. Now, this is not a used Tracy body kit. This is a brand new Tracy body kit that was found in new old stock, as they say. Otherwise, it was in a shop but had never been installed on a bike. It was pricey, but it was worth it because they didn't make a whole lot of these, a few hundred to my knowledge, and most of them were destroyed in road racing or cafe racing. So to have an actual, genuine, original 78 Tracy body kit is pretty much unobtainium, absolutely unobtainium. It's a fiberglass body and kit. It has the factory original 4-in-4 exhaust system on the overhead cam 754 motor, which has also been rebuilt. This bike was taken right down to the frame. The whole body was dismantled, including the front end, and the engine was taken apart. The cylinder jug was taken off. Everything was checked out. It needed new pistons and rings, so it was given a brand new set of piston and rings. The valves were redone. The whole top end's been redone on it. The bottom end, transmission, and clutch are all in good condition. So those are the original factory transmission and engine lower internals. And the top end's all refreshed. The carbs have been rebuilt. It has a new air filter, new battery. Of course, all the fluids have been changed. The hydraulic fluid in the front brake system has been redone. Has a drilled front brake rotor. The forks lowers have been polished. The chrome on the fork sliders are in mint condition. The aluminum on the lowers has been polished. The original factory rim is really nice. The chrome on the front fender is in mint shape. It does have a couple of ripples from, looks like maybe a rake fell on it in the garage or something. It's got a couple dings in the front fender. Not sure how that happened, but nonetheless, the rest of the chrome is in good condition. Has a set of Superbike bars on here, which are a little lower than stock. The original factory gauges are in mint condition. Bright, clean, and clear glass with perfect back green screens, I guess you'd call them. Usually those get like decayed and start cracking and stuff like that. But those are in excellent condition, indicating it wasn't left out in the sun. The mirrors, grips, levers are all in excellent condition. And I mentioned earlier, this is a custom saddle that was made specifically for this bike with a matching burgundy dark red piping to match the dark red metallic paint job on the bike. Has the original Tracy badge on the back here, the fender replacement kit in the back, and the custom Tracy taillight and the turn signal relocation kit. Also has a set of performance shocks on there. Definitely an upgrade over the stock ones, and the tires were replaced some time ago. The date code on the front, on the rear is a 2017. The front is a 2012, indicating the bike hasn't been ridden very much since the last decade or so. The front tire's got about 50% tread. The rear's got 90% tread. So heading back to the engine, obviously you can see the engine was also repainted. The valve covers, the cylinder, jugs, engine cases have all been repainted. The chrome on the side covers are in mint condition. Has a new set of factory Honda crash guards. The pegs are in mint condition. Just a beautiful piece. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. This has the original petcock replaced with a Pingle high-flow petcock with the new Tracy gas tank and body kit. Just a really rare, period-correct, modified motorcycle. The Tracy body kit is a fiberglass body kit, so it's never going to rust. You don't have to worry about the tank rusting, which is nice for vintage bikes. You can see it has the original factory 1978 CB750 model motorcycle tag right there. Definitely a nice restoration from the top of the turn signals down to the rims. Everything's been cleaned, polished, or painted. The frame's been repainted for the most part on the visible areas that I can see. The center stand was repainted. The kickstand was repainted. The original factory exhaust has a real nice sound, and the bike runs beautiful. Really not much more to say. You'd be hard-pressed to find another Tracy body-equipped 78 out there in this kind of shape for sure. Fires right up. Real nice sound from the stock exhaust. The EPA hadn't quite cracked down on the decibel exhaust up to that point, so it has a real nice rumble to it. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. Definitely a machine that any Honda collector would be proud to add to their collection, and very rare, exclusive Tracy body kit. They're known for making cafe quarter fairings and also full road racer body kits, lighter than the factory steel and definitely more sleek and streamlined. So just an absolutely stunning piece. It's a calendar bike, guys. Ready to roll into the show or back into the museum or take it out on the open road. It's a Honda. You could ride it cross country tomorrow. They're notoriously reliable, so good luck bidding on it. God bless America.